Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Arshal and this is Object Oriented Programming Lab experiment number 7, that is packages. So packages in Java is a group of similar types of classes, interface and sub-package. For example, what is a package? A package is, for example, I have one package of biscuit and the package what is there in my hand, so that is known as a package in Java. And the biscuits contain in package, that biscuits are example of classes in Java. So this is known as package in Java. And some of existing packages in Java are java.lang. So that is bundles the fundamental classes. And java.io, that is classes for input output functions are bundled in this package. So there are two types of package in Java, that is user defined package and built-in package. So this is the syntax of package, that is package animals, that is the package name. And the example, that is here I have taken a package of animals, that is file name consists of mammals in it .java. This package implements animal, means all the properties of animals that are implemented by this mammal in it. And the functions that animal do, that is public void it, that mammals eat. And they migrate from one place to another, so that is travel. So public void travel. And mammal travel, it in the number of legs it will print. And here the object of this mammal class is taken, and the methods are called. This is the package in Java. The program given, that is develop an application in Java for automation in banking operation using package. So using package we have to create one accounting class in package 1, saving account class and current account both, which inherits the account class in package 2. Then perform menu driven operation like deposit, withdrawal and balance inquiry from a test in package 3 class by importing these two package. Here I have taken a package, that is given package 1 and public class account. Here I have taken all the initializations in public. So because all these package are globally access to each other, so I have taken public string account name, long account number, string IFC code and string branch. In package 2, that extends account. In package 2, current account here is protected because it is used only inside the class. So here is int money, long re uh, account number, because we have to verify the authenticated. Then check one and balance in long. Then it will take the input from the user, that is account number and account number. Then this account number will match, and it will ask us the user to enter account holder name, enter account branch, enter IFC code and enter account balance. If this not match, it will print account number is incorrect or invalid. Then individual operation, in this function will print you have chosen withdrawal. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then it will ask us to enter the amount. Then this dot balance is equal to this dot balance minus this dot money. It will minus the amount which is entered by the user, and it will print the receipt, that is account name, account number, withdrawal amount, IFC code, available balance. And by the end it will print thank you, visit us again. And in deposit the same operation will be done, but only the addition operation will be done because the money will be added. So it will print the deposit amount, and in check balance it will print the available balance that is entered by the user, and it will print, and in it will check the condition from the user. And in saving accounts, the same operation that is in current account, it will be done in this same as it will re-enter account number. It will check all these details, and it will print this the in the test class. Afterwards, in test class, I've imported a package that is of accounts package 1, and in test class it will print welcome to bank. And in condition, first when we go to the bank, it will ask us to choose, because there are options that balance inquiry, current account, savings. There are options in bank, so it will ask enter select an option from where you have to do the operations, that is from saving or current. Then after that, in uh, current object will be taken in case 1, because this is the current, and in current it will if the account number does not matches, it will print account number does not matches. But in bank, it ask us to enter the pin. But here in this program given, we have to do deposit balance inquiry in test. So here I have entered account number. Then you are using current account, it will show. Then it will ask us to enter, to select an option, that is withdrawal, deposit, balance, inquiry, and exit, as given in the program. After that, this operation is done, it will go in case 2, that is savings, and it will do the same operation, and it will come out of the program. Here I will run the program. This is the output. Welcome to bank. Here the two options are there, that is current or saving. So I want to use current account. It is asking us to enter account number. I enter 123 456. Again enter 123 4 5. If I enter one less number, it will show account number is does not matches. So this operation will be prohibited. Again I will show. So I want to use current account. Then it is asking us to enter account number 123 4 5 6. Again 123 4 5 6. So this is asking enter account holder name. So I enter Rohan here. Then account branch. The account branch is Ahmednagar. After that, it is asking IFC code. This is IFC code. I am entering balance, that is 70,000. So it is printing you are using current account. Now I want to check how much amount that is in my current account. So 3, my account balance is 70,000. Afterwards I want to withdraw. You have choose withdraw how enter the amount you to be withdraw. So I want to withdraw 1,000. So 1,000 is less. So here is 69,000. Then I want to check the balance. So it is showing available balance, that is 69,000. Then I want to deposit some amount. So I entered 100, again 1,000. So again my balance, that is 70,000. Now I am exiting. Thank you, visit us again. Again I want to check from saving accounts, that is enter amount number, re-enter 123 4 5 6. again a folder name, IFC code. This is again I entered balance, that is 70,000. So here it is showing you are using saving accounts. Now I want to check the balance, that is 70,000 it is showing. I want to deposit some amount, that is so I want to deposit again 5,000. So it is showing 70,500, sorry 75,000. Then again I want to withdraw some amount. I withdraw 2,000. It is showing 70,000, 73,000. So this is the remaining balance in my account. After that I am exiting. So this packages are useful in a program. When we use in a program, we can make like uh, classes and groups of sub packages. So this is experiment number 7 packages. Thanks for watching.